Khiladi, Khiladiyon ka Khiladi, Khiladi number one. All these are pretty cliche. Today I'll introduce him as the action hero who's all ready to redefine action in Bollywood, Akshay Kumar. Akshay, welcome to Times Now.
Thank you very much.
And now, after a long period of this, multiplex producers strike, Comeback is all ready to release. So, butterflies in the stomach.
Well, even if there was no strike and butterflies would be still there, my expectation from this film is very, very big. It's a big, good film. After a long time, I'm doing romantic film. Hoping that everything works out properly for this film. Aajkal recession ka time hai, and it's hope everybody's film work, because it's very essential for the industry to roll and roll more and more. And it's a huge industry with lots of people working in it. So, keeping my finger crossed.
Also, Akshay, talking about the movie now, this is a big,
so proud
big...
you are when I said you win.
And that coming from Akshay Kumar, of course, though I was not fighting. Right, and when you met Sylvester Stallone for the first time, was it like a superstar from India meeting up with Sylvester, or a crazy fan of his?
A crazy fan meeting him. I was very shocked to meet him. I was like...
Alright, and that was the way you were.
Exactly. That's the way I was. Till somebody had to just come, and the director nudged me and I says, Akshay.
Now you have worked with, obviously you've been a part and parcel of Bollywood, and now that you've worked with Hollywood stars, if you were to make comparisons, in their way of working, or for that matter their attitude towards life in general, how would you compare the two?
There's not much difference. We are professional, they are professional. One thing is different. Their vanity van is bigger than mine. Ours, I would say. So that's all.
Alright, so you're turning greedy now. You want a bigger vanity van.
No, I'm just telling you. You asked me the difference. I didn't say I want it.
Okay.
You asked me the difference. What's the difference? So that's the only difference which is there. And you'll be happy to know that we also run the same way as they do. So as much as they are professional, we are too.
Now coming back to this movie's release, Akshay, this is a big release for you, of course, after say CC2C Tasveer, which didn't really fare that well as they were expected to. Now, can we say that it is a make or break point in your career, or for that matter, it could be a complete reinvention for you as far as your career is concerned?
I don't need to reinvent because 1-2 movies didn't run. I tried my level best. It didn't run, it's fine. And it didn't. Chandni Chowk to China, what happened to that film was, the expectation was very big. It didn't go till there. That's the only problem with that film. And with 8x10, it's an artistic film. An artistic film always has small, I would say, the audience is very small.
And now coming to your co-star, female co-star in the movie, Kareena Kapoor, she's gone on record and said that Akshay Kumar is her favorite actor, co-star for that matter, and actor. What's your take on it?
My take on it is, Kareena, thank you very much that she has thought about it like that. I've finished 7 films with her, and our comfort level is great. Our chemistry is marvelous. We get along well. We in 7 films we've done, about 4 of them are hits, and hope this one works and we can make the 5th one hit.
Right. And also you've seen her grow up as such, and you worked with her sister. So who do you think is a better actor, Karishma or Kareena? And please don't be diplomatic.
I think Kareena is a better actress.
Alright.
Karishma is more of she's a very very method kind of acting she has, a very particular acting style way, and along with the book kind of acting she has. Karishma is a better dancer.
Wow, you've been really honest in that. So if I were to say that who is the best actor in Bollywood, I mean, today, who would you consider, who do you look up to for
Who's
that
the best
matter?
actor?
Yeah. Who do you look up to?
Currently or people on the
I think
past?
the
What do you
current
want?
crop, I mean, your contemporaries, that would be really nice.
Well, I think currently good actors. I find Akshay Khanna very good. I find Amir. Um, and these are the guys. Both the guys, yeah.
And you don't mind sharing screen space with Amir, if that be the case, because both of you all are superstars in your own right, and at times there are these, insecurity issues that crop up, whether they are real or not, that we
They're
wouldn't
not
know.
real at all because you don't need to be insecure. There's 180 films made every year. There are 10 heroes. Each hero cannot do more than 3 films. So what insecurity are we talking? There's so much of space. It's like having a small plot and 10 builders are fighting. Then I can understand competition is there.
Right. Akshay, in an interview again, Rajesh Khanna said that the next superstar in the Indian film industry would be your son, Arav. What's your take on that?
He's too young for me to give any take on it. I hope he just be a good man, good boy, and that's all. For me, that's more important to me. About being a superstar and all, that comes later on.